Okay, who we got? So this is Sophie. This one's JJ. This little bitty one is 2 today. And that's Peanut. Whoops. Whoops. Oh, you gonna get your baby? Oh. Oh, you coming? Look at that. Where you going? You're gonna walk? Oh, Peanut. Peanut. That's a peanut. That peanut's trying to stand up to me. So this is Peanut. This is JJ. This is Sophie. And Sophie's gonna try to walk away. And this is Holly. And Holly thinks that these are her babies. Huh, Puddin'? Holly has become friends with Sophie. Is that your baby? Is that your baby? That's your baby, huh? Yeah, you love your babies, huh? She's guarding her babies. All right, say goodnight.